Hey guys, in this video, I'll be showing you how can I access Netflix from another country. It's a weekend, and you are set to spend the entire day at home, chilling in your pajamas and eating a box of pizza while watching a Netflix series that you especially waited to launch before watching. But upon opening your Netflix, you realized that the series is not available in your country. It's truly a bummer, and I myself have been in that situation a couple of times. But I learned some tips and tricks about this, and I will be very happy to share them with you guys. With that being said, in today's video, we will be talking about what you can do if you can't access a certain Netflix title from another country. Netflix, despite having millions of subscribers all over the world, has imposed geo-restrictions in its platform in order to limit the accessibility of titles across different locations. If you are from Australia, your film choices are different from others. In a similar manner, there are titles that are uniquely available in your country, and there are those that are also available only in other locations. There is a workaround for this though, and it is through the use of a VPN. A VPN is a digital tool that allows you to conceal your device's location and activity, and sort of pranks your ISP into thinking that the device is actually being used in a different location. It is easy to use, and there are a lot of VPNs that you can choose from. The first thing you need to do to make this happen is to look for a VPN of your choice. There are thousands of them in the market, and you can choose to go for a completely free application or the type that has a monthly subscription. The free version usually works fine, but if you want more choices for servers, and of course, greater reliability, you can go and subscribe to some legitimate VPNs. You will have to sign up for an account after downloading, but the process is the same as any other applications that require the same process, so it will not be hard for you to do it. After signing up, you are pretty much set. You can choose from a wide variety of servers to connect, and these servers are usually set in other countries. Depending on the type of VPN you're getting, the number of servers and locations can vary, but you can choose any of the available servers, depending on the title that you want to watch and what country it is available for viewing. Once you have clicked a particular server, you just have to wait for the connection to be established. Sometimes the server fails to connect. However, most times it successfully establishes a connection, and you are now able to access Netflix from whatever location you picked. You can now go to your Netflix app and open it, and instantaneously, you will see that the selection of titles have changed depending on the location you picked via the VPN. There you have it, your weekend plans are now back on track. And that is how you access Netflix from another country. Let me know if you found this video helpful by giving it a like and subscribe. And make sure to have your notifications on so you will be updated with our future uploads about all things related to tech. Thank you for tuning in, and see you in our next video.